Okay, I just want to record this for posterity here. I'm trying to install this camera, right? And this is a center console, goes over the driver's side. It's the, it's the light fixtures. And this is a Ford Flex we're talking about. So I got the camera installed, I cut out a nice little section, and, it's all looking pretty good. Except, you see that USB down there? I need to connect to that. And I needed just a little bit more room. Now I want you to just take a look at what's going on here. Take a look at these three guys right here, right? You see those? Apparently, those move, no joke, through this plastic piece as if it was a circuit board. And it goes right by where I need to cut out like 1/8 of an inch. So this whole thing, it's a circuit board. It looks like a plastic molded part that you'd see up in a console, but it's a circuit board. Ridiculous. All right.